Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own QR code for a Google Form quick and easy guide. But before we start, make sure to check the link in the description box and on the pinned comment. So let's jump right into it. First, let's go to Google Forms, search for Google Forms and log into your Google Forms. As you can see, I have a couple of Google Forms already created. If you don't have one yet, just click on blank, like tap onto this blank form and create a new form or select any template you like from here. So you can just simply tap your questions. You can edit your title from, you can add description, etc. For now I will be going with a pre-made from here. Now the step 2 is you have to open Canva for QR code generation. So go to canva.com and visit their official site. Now the tool we are going to use is this Canada website. This is a free awesome website that lets you create tons of designs including QR codes. So once you are logged into Canva, look at the left hand side and click on apps. Search for this option, apps. You can see this, tap onto apps, then search for QR code in the search bar. Go to the search bar and search for QR code, and after clicking onto that you will find this option called QR code generator. It is fast and easy to use. Tap onto that. Next, you can either use an existing design, or also you can click use new design and set a custom size from here. But for this purpose of the video, I will choose a custom design. For this, I am gonna tap onto the option like this one, QR code generator, then tap onto in existing design, and if you want you can just tap onto using new design, like it will create a new design for you. I'm gonna go with the existing device. Now you have to open the form you want to share, like click on the send button on the top right, or you can also choose your projects like this, and it will open up a new page, as you can see. So now you have to tap on to connect and connect it to your Google Forms. Wait, you have to enter your API key and then authenticate it. You can also shorten the URL if you want a cleaner QR code from there, like wait a few seconds. Let me show you how to use a new design. Tap on the new design. From that you can tap onto sheet. I will search for I will go with this one, like the custom size. Then you have to choose the width to, for example, you can set it to 500 into 500 like this. Then tap on to create new design. So I have shown you both ways. Now back in Canva, find the QR code generator on your page, like this one, and then you can add, like you just have to edit this first one, like you just have to edit all the things from add text to elements, projects, etc., and then have to tap on to like QR code generator. Now you have to paste your Google Form link into generator, then click generate code. Like go to your Google Form link here and then copy this link and go back to Canva, then tap onto connect. So now you can like sign up for a new account here if you already don't have. So you have to enter your email address, country, password, etc. For now I'll go with the Google account. Tap onto this and then tap continue. Now you have to paste your Google Forms link to QR code generator. So let me explain to you how you can do it. First of all, you have to head over to Canva, then follow the steps I showed you, then tap on to connect. If you don't have an account, you can register for a new account. Then you have to enter your Google Forms link, then tap on to generate QR code. As you can see, the QR code is now generated. Now simply tap on to download, and here we go. As you can see, the QR code is now generated. So this was as simple as that. So that's it. This is how you can generate a QR code. Now you can download and share it. So that's how you can create a QR code for your Google Form in just a few steps. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for more tutorials like this. I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, take care and goodbye.